Hello, it's Becky from BYD Crewe showing you this wonderful approved used BYD Sealion 7. This is a full electric and has an 82.5 kilowatt hour battery. The Sealion 7 offers up to 283 miles of electric range and rapid charging from 10 to 80% in around 32 minutes. This vehicle also comes equipped with LED headlights offering superb visibility in all driving conditions and sits on these gorgeous 20-inch bi-colour alloy wheels which really complement the overall look of the vehicle. The boot has a generous amount of storage space and opens very easily via the electric tailgate, an adjustable parcel shelf and extra storage below the boot floor. Stepping into the back now, the seats finish in this gorgeous vegan upholstery with air vents to keep your passengers comfortable. In the front we've got the continuation of the vegan leather with extra side support for added comfort. The multifunctional steering wheel has a range of different options for answering calls, changing volumes or accessing cruise control. You can also easily access your 360-degree parking cameras. The digital cockpit allows you to view your speed, trip information or switch between different settings here and also view your radio station. Taking a closer look at your parking cameras, you have different settings to be able to view your cameras in different ways. This comes with a 2D edition to help you look around your vehicle to make sure everything's clear and good to go. You can access all of your seat options here, choosing between the ventilated seat or the heated seat. You can also access your heated steering wheel. This makes it you're comfortable in all conditions. The dual zone climate control system allows you and your passenger to both be comfortable, being able to change the options for each side. Taking a look at your screen now, you also have satellite navigation built in to help you on those unfamiliar journeys, as well as having access to DAB radio or Bluetooth to connect to listen to your own playlists. Just below you have your driver controls, which also have different modes so you can switch between the different driving styles. Thank you for watching this presentation of this gorgeous Sealion 7. To get in touch, please call our dealership today.